Generator and manifesting generator always ask me these questions. What do you mean wait to respond? Because obviously it's very difficult for them to just wait. They are energy type and they always move around. That's true. And wait to respond doesn't mean you just sit on the couch and wait for life to happen, because that is very impossible. Why Ra Uru said wait to respond? You see, the word wait is not for your sacral, it's for your mind. Wait to respond is the tools to give your mind something to observe. You see, generator, manifesting generator, they always respond. They've been responding since they're born. And their response to all, their response to life around them. But generator, manifesting generator, most of them do not realize that they respond. Why? Because their mind is busy initiating. That's why generator and manifesting generator try to be manifester. Their mind busy initiating. So when we introduce generator and manifesting generator, their type and their strategy, and we say you have to wait to respond, we are not speaking to your sacrals. We're speaking to your mind. So when your mind start to wait, your mind to start to stop initiating. Instead, your mind is paying attention to your sacral. Now you see, sacral is not a awareness center. That means normally it's very challenging for generator and manifesting generator to pay attention to their sacral until we bring the awareness to them, or we point out the awareness and make them realize what their sacral sounds looks like. Now, when they start to wait to respond, when their mind start to wait and not initiating, it waits and pay attention to response. So that's what it means. When generator wait to pay attention to response, and that's when they have more awareness, starting to notice their sacral response. So wait to respond means for your mind to wait, not initiating, instead wait and pay attention to your sacral response. So I hope this video helped to explain what wait to respond means. Enjoy your strategy and your authority.